Hey, I'm Ismael Justiniano, and I'm an enthusiast when it comes to PC building and modding. I guess a PC enthusiast would be defined as someone who just doesn't consider their system as something that just sits on their desk or on the floor. I mean, if you have apps that monitor temperature of your CPU, the performance, anything of that nature, you just might be a PC enthusiast. Compared to the previous predecessor, aesthetically, it's more beautiful. I really like the full cover plate that goes over the whole motherboard PCB. The new power design with the 16-phase digital VRM and the 90 amp smart stage should really stabilize any monster processor you throw at it. The benefits of having a stable processor is when you're either gaming or running any type of productivity software suites, you'll know the performance would be smooth and stable, no matter how much the demand is from the processor. With the fins array and direct touch heat pipe 2 combined with the 7.5 watt thermal pads, heat dissipation should increase and keep everything nice and cool. I really like the 90-degree angle adapters or connections, the F panel, which simplifies connecting like the power switch and things like that. The clear CMOS in the back is always a good feature, so you don't have to sit there and find a jumper or dislodge the battery. If I had any advice to give to people who want to up their PC gaming build, I would say set a goal. What do you want to achieve? What is the outcome you want with your build? And then from there, do your research. Research parts, research vendors, do what's needed to make sure that you get the end result you want. Hey, this is Ismael Justiniano. I'm an enthusiast when it comes to PC building and modding. And if you want the best of the best when it comes to motherboards, I would check out the AORUS XTREME Z490.